Teka, kwarto ko to dati ah. Ate? Oh, Miguel! Uso kasi game na itong Popeye na Dan. Ano sinasayaw yan? Lumang kanta na yan ah. Huh? Kaka-release lang talaga neto. Anong luma? Ha? Word mo? Kasi ba si Kyle? Kyle! Yes, ma'am. Shh! Kuya, huwag ka maingay. Baka marinig ka na teacher ko. Oh, ang ginagawa mo dito? Di ba may pasok ka? Online class na lang daw muna kami, kuya, kasi pinagbabawal yung face-to-face classes. Ha? Bumalik na naman kayo sa online class? Pati ba naman ikaw, Kyle? Kung word nyo. Oh, Brianna, ginagawa mo? Nag-workout ako kasi gusto ko mag-abs. Pinapanood ko si Chloe Ting. Kailan ka pa natuto mag-workout, ha? Tsaka sino yung Chloe Ting? Chloe Ting? Bakit ang weird mo? Nay, pagsabihan mo nga ito mga kapatid ko. Pinaprank nga nila ako. Anak ko, kung ako natago na coffee. Gusto ko si Chloe. Wow! Ayan! Ang pait! Alam mo anak, nakakatakot na ngayon. Kaya dapat kahit nasa bahay ka, mag-mask ka pa din. Sige na, mamamalengke lang ako ha. Ha? Bakit ka magmamask? Sige na anak. Bakit parang familiar yung mga nangyayari? Bakit ang weird na lahat ha? Ano bang nangyayari?
Magandang hapon po. 209 ang nadagdag sa mga kaso ng COVID-19 sa Pilipinas.
Pandemic? Nasa 2020 na naman ako.
Sorry, she'll call you back. She's busy at the moment.
What are you doing? That's my boyfriend. He's in the hospital.
Really? Is he an organ donor?
No, what?
Oh, push it way too rude. Sorry, can't do that.
I can't believe you actually think that would work on me. My boyfriend is twice the man you'll ever be.
You know what? Fine. I don't want your number anyway. You can have it, okay?
Why don't you want my number? Am I not good enough here, or what?
You just said.
What's your name?
Adam?
Do you know what my name is?
Matilda?
You better remember my name, because you're going to be screaming it all night.
This motherfucker. Don't miss.
What's where you going, anyone?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize you couldn't see.
well, obviously I can't see, but I can see us together.
That's cute, but I have a boyfriend.
And a boyfriend? Well, obviously I don't see him anywhere, so he doesn't exist.
That's smooth.
So what does he have that I don't?
A vision.
Well, that's disrespectful. So if I get your number, does that all change?
I guess, but I doubt it. Hello?
I'll call you later.
She make it flat. I got the strap.
911, where's your emergency? Hello, 911.
Hi, can you stop us?
Is your mom or dad there?
No, but
Your mommy's sick?
yeah,
Where are you?
on my house.
Do you know where your address is?
Yeah,
What is it?
little house.
It's the yellow house. Do you know what number the yellow house is or what street you live on?
No,
How old are you?
little house.
You're 3.5?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you know what town you live in?
yeah,
What town you live in?
little house.
What town do you live in? Do you live in Brio?
No,
Do you live in Point Pleasant? Is your daddy there or your grandma or anybody who's a grown up?
my mom is here.
Could you give the phone to your mom?
Yeah,
All right, thank you. Hello?
my mom is not saying no.
She's what?
Not saying hi.
She's not saying hi? Is your mommy awake? Her eyes are closed? Okay. Is she the only one there with you?
Yeah,
And there's no other grown-up there?
that's mommy.
And your mommy won't wake up?
Yeah,
Can you try and wake her up? Hello? Hello? Hello, Mitch? What's your name, sweetheart? Your name is Samantha? Okay. Your mommy said hi? Okay, Samantha. Now, did your mommy try to take a nap, or what was she doing before your mommy went to sleep? She was just up in her bed? Were there any other people there with
Hey, Karen! Nag-views na ako ng dalawa. Wala doon si Johan. Hindi ko alam ba nalaglag yun.
Uy, mali. Ayaw ko kumain. Ay, malabas ko yan. Ayun doon. Kyle.